Good morning, students. Last time we have seen some infectious diseases, and in this video also one more time I want to revise infectious diseases, as I am posting a video after very long time because of some reasons. Now see, what are infectious diseases? The diseases spread through contaminated food, water or air, and the medium of spread of disease are the vectors. Now vectors could be the, or vectors are pathogens. मराठीत pathogenला आपण रोगजंतू असं म्हणतो. Now what are pathogens? Pathogens could be the bacteria, viruses, germs or insects. Now one chart is given in your textbook and we will go thoroughly through the chart, and in that chart first disease is given and name of the disease is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, in short we call it TB. Okay. Now mode of infection is due to the pathogen. Mode of infection is due to pathogen and name of the pathogen is Mycobacterium. Mycobacterium tuberculi. Mycobacterium tuberculi. And see, in the name itself bacteria word is given, so this pathogen is bacteria. Now see, mode of infection means how the infection get to a particular person, or how the infection spread from infected person to the normal person. Now see, first point in mode of infection is splitting of patient. Splitting of patient म्हणजे रोग्याच्या थुंकीतून. स्प्लिट म्हणजे थुंकणे. Now see, generally when anyone split, the water saliva or the water droplets come out from the mouth. Large droplet get settle on the ground and small droplets are carried from one place to the other place by the air, and in such a way the infection can spread. Okay. Splitting of patient. Then next is prolonged contact with the patient or sharing material used by the patient. Means if towels or handkerchief we used of the infected person or a patient, then it can affect us. Then prolonged contact with the patient. पेशंटच्या सानिध्यात नेहमी वावरल्याने सुद्धा आपल्याला इन्फेक्शन होऊ शकतं. ठीक आहे. अँड सी, इन द स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ पेशंट वन मोर थिंग इज गिवन थ्रू द एअर. थ्रू एअर मीन्स droplets spread from one place to the other through the air. So through the air is also given. Everything is given, everything is written in your chart. Don't worry, and the same thing I am revising for explaining the things to you. Now see, this is the mode of infection. Now we will see the symptoms. Symptoms we will see. Now in the symptoms, first symptom is chronic cough. Chronic cough म्हणजे severe cough, खूप जास्त काळापासून असलेला खोकला. Chronic cough ब्लडी स्प्लिटिंग म्हणजे थुंकीतून रक्त येणे. ब्लडी splitting. Now in the symptoms, the first symptom is chronic cough. Chronic cough म्हणजे खूप जास्त काळापासून असलेला खोकला. And due to this severe cough, there is bloody splitting. Bloody splitting means खोकल्यातून रक्त येणे. Okay. Now with that there is emaciation. Now what is emaciation? Emaciation means there is extreme weight loss. खूप प्रमाणात वजन कमी होऊन जाणे, extreme weight loss, and due to this there is unnatural thinness. माणूस एकदम दुबळा किंवा क्षीण किंवा बारीक होऊन जाणे, unnatural. Due to this extreme weight loss, unnatural thinness is there. Thinness म्हणजे आपण मराठीत बोलायचं झालं तर क्षीणता, क्षीण होऊन जाणे, दुर्बल होऊन जाणे. क्षीण म्हणजे बारीक म्हणतो आपण, दुर्बल होऊन जाणे. आणि अशातच देर इज डिफिकल्टी इन ब्रीदिंग. डिफिकल्टी in breathing or difficult breathing. These are the symptoms which we can observe in the infection of tuberculosis. Alright, now see how to get rid from the infection of tuberculosis. आता यासाठी काय उपाययोजना करायच्या? So prevention and treatment is vaccination. Now in BCG vaccination, now see each one have BCG vaccine already taken after the birth. Now we are having one white dot of vaccination, everyone is having, and that first vaccine after everyone's birth is BCG. Now why this vaccine is given just after the birth of each one? As to the newborn baby, many people comes to visit, सगळेजण भेटायला येतात त्याला, and so among that if anyone is infected by any small infectious diseases or general cough and cold, the infection should not get or transmit to the newborn or new one. So the BCG vaccine is just given after the birth of the child. Okay. Now that BCG vaccine each one have taken, so we should know what is BCG and have we taken it or not. Everyone have taken it. जो वरती छोटासा पांढरा वॅक्सिनेशनचा जो डॉट आहे सगळ्यांना, that is of BCG vaccine. Now see, after that one more important point is medication at DOTS center. DOT center. Now what is the meaning of, or what is the long form of DOT? DOT means direct observation and treatment. The meaning or long form of DOT is direct observation and treatment. Now in this DOT center we got the free medicine and the direct observation by the nurses and doctors to the infected person. And if we have taken full treatment at the DOT centers, we can get rid from tuberculosis. पूर्ण बरं होऊ शकतो आपण TB झाल्यानंतरही. पूर्वी हा रोग बरा होत नव्हता, पण आता त्यावर उपाययोजना आहेत. Now see, at these DOT centers the treatment is near about 6 to 8 months. The DOTS treatment is near about 6 to 8 months. Now see, this prolonged treatment or long treatment, if we have completed properly, then we can get cure from the tuberculosis, and one should take the benefit of this DOTS treatment as it is free of cost to everyone. बिना पैशाने फुकट आपल्याला औषधोपचार आणि डायरेक्ट ऑब्झर्वेशनमध्ये आपण राहतो डॉक्टर्सच्या नर्सेसच्या आणि आपण पूर्णतः बरं होऊ शकतो. सो दिस ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन was about the tuberculosis. One should know about the TB because it is one of the most important infectious diseases of nowadays. Now, in previous days, it was more in the what we can say about the infection of TB. We can see more than one people or many people were infected due to the tuberculosis, but rate of the infection of TB is quite now less as compared to the previous, as it have treatment now. So we will see the next disease after this.